Hey there guys, how are you all? Hope you're all staying at home and staying safe. So today we're going to be reviewing Aram IAS Academy, which is located in Chennai, and for doing so we're going to be visiting blog.reducation.in, and that is because this website is 11-year-old website. It is one of the oldest websites and the most trusted websites to give reviews of coaching centers all across India, especially for IAS, IPS preparation. And not only that, they give you consolidated reviews from Google, Justdial, Sulekha, Facebook reviews. So as you keep scrolling, you can see in detail the reviews that are given by students who have studied there. Both good and bad reviews, everything will be listed on this site, blog.reducation. You can also read about Aram IAS Academy, what they offer. So you should make sure that they cater to your needs. For example, if you're a slow learner, you need to look at batch strength very seriously. So you have to look at those institutes that offer a lower batch size. And suppose you feel like you need extra attention or you need your doubts cleared, you need to ensure that the academy is offering daily doubt sessions. So yeah, basic stuff like that. So Aram's Academy helps aspirants crack both UPSC and TNPSC exams, Group 1 and Group 2. And they also help you with, they also give you interview preparation, and they help you study for mains as well. So these are all the exams that they help you study for, the prelims as well as the mains, just the mains, fresher main, optionals, crash course. They also provide crash course, you guys. They provide test series and interview preparation. Here you can also find the contact details of Aram IAS Academy, like their address, their contact number, their fees, and you can see here their fees is very low compared to the other institutes. Their batch size though is a little high. 60 students per class is a little high when we have seen 20 students per class in some other coaching centers. And you can also see their preferred material for studying, for preparation, and then you can see the faculties in charge. Also, they have got a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. So you can see though, among the top 5 institutes, Aram IAS Academy does not stand. Some of the benefits of Aram IAS Academy are that they are the only institute in South India to conduct separate classes to hide the NCERT topics. And they also have separate sessions for newspaper reading to help you assist what points you need to learn, and what in a newspaper also how much information do you get. Now you don't have to sit and learn everything that is there in newspaper. So they will train you like what points to grasp, what to remember for the exam. And also they will provide individual attention during the course. And they also update their study material every year. Apart from that, they also have regular motivational sessions by the toppers of IAS, IPS, UPSC to help enhance your self-esteem and morale. So it is a very student-friendly environment, and they have a maximum of 80 students per batch. So we have seen institutes that even have 100 students per batch. So this is slightly better than them. And they also provide daily tests, and they also take regular feedback. So you can see among the top 10 coaching centers, it is also not listed. And the best coaching center for IAS in Chennai is Shankar IAS Academy. You can see the ratings that are given to Aram IAS Academy in Chennai. So they have a Google rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, an R Education rating, a very unbiased rating of 4.3 out of 10 stars, and Justdial rating 4.7 out of 5 stars, and Facebook rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. Also, some frequently asked questions will be answered on this page. So definitely go visit blog.reducation because they have done all the research for you. and it's very easy once you visit blog.our education to select the right academy that caters to your needs. So I hope this was helpful to you all, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are also writing these exams in the future. Thank you so much for watching.